Hi everyone, it's just Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're having a good day. Of course, here we have the shining grey Jazz EX style. Now this car does feature the 1.5 self-charging hybrid drivetrain. It has front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, LED daytime running lights at the front, and of course these 16-inch alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what the design pattern is on all four of them. Obvious, as this is a pre-registered model, so it's not even been on the road yet, and it has only done 5 miles to this point. Moving around to the rear now, we've got 4 rear parking sensors as well. We've got LED tail lights as well, and then we have the halogen indicators and reversing bulbs. We've then got your reverse camera just up there. In the boot, we've got plenty of room as well. We've also got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats. We've also got this nice little parcel shelf as well, which does provide extra privacy for any objects you do keep in the tailgate. Walking around again, just showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car now, we do have the light coded interior, as obviously on these Jazzes, if it's a dark colour, you'll get the light interior. If it's a light colour, you'll get the dark interior. So we do have the cloth grey with white leather. We've got Isofix mounting points just down at the bottom as well, so if you do want to put a child seat in, you are more than welcome to, and it is nice and easy to use. We've then got your keyless entry just here as well. Jumping inside the car, it's business as usual with these hybrids. You've got the brake hold with electric handbrake, your ECON, eCVT gearbox, climate control in the middle as well, and then we have your 9.5-inch display in the middle. This comes with your satellite navigation. It also has your Bluetooth hands-free, DAB, Bluetooth audio, and your FM. So it does come fully loaded on the central display. We've got your audio controls on the left, including your voice control, onboard computer controls, volume and track select. We've then got your speed limiter, cruise control, lane keep assist, distance control on the right hand side, and just below we have your heated steering wheel. We've then got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. And as I mentioned earlier, this car has not seen the road yet, as it is still only on 5 miles to this point. Jumping back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information regarding this Jazz EX style, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team will be able to send you a personalised video of this car. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at the dealership in Blackpool.